Welcome to 30 on 3D. Today, we're celebrating Valentine's Day by recognizing the machines our customers love most. This love letter comes from Resin in Raleigh, who sent our team a note about his admiration for the W7500. To my one true love, the W7500. While you may just be a young printer, there's still so much to love. There are so many fantastic features and abilities you have, and it is but a small matter of time until the whole world will know of your beauty. Everything about you makes life so much easier for all Resin 3D printer users. The artistic way you automatically drip UV waste resin over your eco-friendly tube emulates the works of a 19th century artist. Your spinning motion makes me dizzy with happiness. We can machine your cured masterpiece to create zero-cost prototype stock material or simply throw it away without harming the environment. You're going places, W7500. You are one hard axis to follow. Yours truly, Waste Resin in Raleigh.